Good day, Sir Teo. We are the Pinoy Big Michael Group. Open the computer shortcut, then local disk, then new, then create a folder, then rename it with redirection. Next is to open with the properties, then go to sharing, then advanced sharing, then check the share this folder, then okay, then allow the full control, then apply. Okay, then apply, then click the OK, then close. Next is to click the start, then administrative tools, then go to Active Directory, then go with the housemate user, then the Pinoy Big Michael folder, then new, then organizational unit, then name with redirection, then OK. Then here you can see, then new, then user, then input the name, the user login name, then next, then create the password, confirm the password, then uncheck the user must change, then check the user cannot change password, and password never expires, then finish. Next is where you can see the gym, then the user. Then next is to administrative tools, then go to policy, then open the redirection folder, then create the GPO in the domain, then rename it with redirection, then OK. Then where you can see the GPO redirection name, then edit, then here we can see, then go to user configuration with policies folder, then under that open the Windows settings, then the folder redirection folder, then under that here we can see the different kinds of folder, then choose the folder document start desktop or the properties, then settings, go to basic, then find the path, go to the desktop, then local disk, then redirection, then copy the folder, then put it the root path, then properties, then copy the computer name, then input the computer name with the file redirection, then apply it, yes, then okay, then go to the folder, then computer local disk, then exit, then go to desktop with the properties, then make sure that it's the same spelling, then yes, then okay, then after that go to documents and properties, then change the setting into basic, then path, okay, then go to the start menu, properties, change the setting basic, then the root path, then apply, then okay, then go to the exit bar where we can see the GPO in exit, then refresh it, then go to administrator, then log in. Here we can see the home, then go to the documents, then new, then the folder, create a folder, rename it with gym, then after that go to the folder, then new, then another folder, then create, add the image, then the another document, add another document with the with the name new journal document. Then then go to the folder. Then rename it gym user on desktop database. Then after that, click it. Then open. Open the folder. Then Then upload a bitmap. Then the journal document. Next is the text document. And the other one is a compressed zip folder. And last is the contact. Then new enrich document lastly. So we have 5 document. Then next is go to the folder, then documents, then the name gym folder. Then we can see the 5 uploaded files. Then go to settings. Then refresh it. Restarting the system. So we can see start, then run. Okay. There we can see. We just wait for a while. So user policy update has been completed successfully. Then exit, then computer shortcut, open with the local disk. So file redirection gym, index tab, continue, close. Then documents, continue, then close. So properties, share security, continue. Then go to administrative Pinoy Big Michael, then apply, okay. Then okay. Next is to refresh it. So click the documents, then here the gym folder, then continue, close, properties, then security, administrative Pinoy Big Michael, okay, then okay. So gym folder, refresh it. So continue. Here we go, the different folders that we uploaded it. So exit it. So check the desktop site. So properties, then security, continue, administrator Pinoy Big Michael, then apply, okay, okay, continue, check the okay, then refresh it, continue, the folder gym user index of database, so continue, close, then properties, then security, continue, administrative Pinoy Big Michael, apply, then okay, so refresh it, so continue. There we can see the different folders that we uploaded it. So exit, refresh it, everything. So check, refresh.